Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know a Wi-Fi password using CMD. This is a simple and useful trick that can help you access any Wi-Fi network that you have previously connected to on your Windows computer. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open the command prompt on your computer. There are two ways to do this. One way is to press the Windows key and R key at the same time, and then type CMD in the run box. Then, press enter. Another way is to search for CMD in the Start menu and click on it. Once you have the command prompt open, you need to type this command and press enter. This command will show you a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that you have ever connected to on your computer. You can see the names of the networks under the profile column. Now, to find out the password of any network, you need to type this command and press enter. Replace network name with the name of the Wi-Fi network that you want to know the password of. For example, if I want to know the password of the network called Why Not, I would type like this. This command will show you the details of the network, including the password. You can find the password under the Security Settings section, next to the Key Content field. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to find out a Wi-Fi password using command. You can use this method to find out the passwords of any Wi-Fi networks that you have previously connected to on your Windows computer. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.